Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply a business visa to Namibia. Before I proceed further, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply a visa to any country, the very first thing you need to determine that do you really need a visa? Because based on your nationality, other visas you hold, purpose, and probably a combination of these, you may or may not need a visa. And once you determine that you do, then check the requirements process as per the official entity that covers your region. It could be an embassy, mission, consulate, or anything. So in front of you, I have opened this High Commissioner of the Republic of Namibia, New Delhi. So for example, you are an Indian citizen living in Delhi, want to apply a business visa to Namibia. So here they have, if you go visa requirements, so they have given nationals of countries listed below are not required to obtain visas to travel to Namibia for visit shorter than 3 months for holiday and business purpose. So see if your country is listed there or not. Okay, that will tell you, and also duration. That is also now. If you see the checklist for business visa application form, motivation letter for company organization, invitation letter, return air ticket, accommodation, where you are going to stay, bank statement, let's just 3 months, copy of passport, first last page, visa fee 3000, single entry 6000, multiple entry for 3 months, two color photographs. Wow. And remember, this is in cash. Okay. So, okay. So now you know what you need. Now, visa fee, you can take a look again also. Hours they have given, and you can go over there and do it. Okay. Now, visa form download. This is very important. This is gonna be the visa form. This is official use, forget about it. Surname, first name, maiden name. If applicant is or was a married woman. Okay. Gender, your marital status, applied for permit to settle permanent Namibia, refused entry, deported, convicted of any crime in any country. Your health information, citizenship, passport, permanent address, occupation, organization details, if children are accompanying that. Now complete only part A or part B, holiday, business, work or transit. So if you are going for business, this is the section you need to. Very simple. Date of date and port of arrival. Okay, where you want to go. Purpose. If your business, then explain nature, duration, places that you're gonna visit, including telephone number, full address, telephone number. If medical treatment, then provide that information, but that's not valid. I mean, that's not in our this sample video. Name and address of relatives in Namibia, and day of last visit, if any, reason of traveling to Namibia, and then date and signature. That's very important. Do not miss this. And if you want to verify it again, I mean checklist, clearly you can see what they have asked. So with this, you can go and apply. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.